Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, right. You can now see our swimming pool. It's a mirror, and this is what I'm recording on. Awesome. Excuse the cracked phone. So yeah, there's our tables. There's the outside world, swimming pool, and Budgie is somewhere. Here we go, wait. Budgie is there. Wait, no, where is he? Let's try and find the Budgie. The quest to find the Budgie. Right. There he is. He's right there. There he is! The Budgie Rhinos! Oh, he's gone flying! Come here. Look at the camera. Oh, nope. Honestly, I'm not squeezing him. But... Oh, God. I think today in this video it's going to be all about budgies. Oh! Hello. I'm stroking you. Literally, I'm stroking him. Look at him. No, you can't go this way. Sorry, Budgie. This is what this for. Oh. Let's go for that one under. Hello, Budgie. Would you like to tell me where you're going? You can go in there if you want to. You don't need flies. Oh, so cute. There's the Budgie. Hey, he's being a bit angry. Not in the right mood. So, in the previous video, this mirror was attached to this, but it broke. So the Budgie's actually playing with this, and I added just some twigs. And he's got this now. Oh, focus. Won't focus. Oh, but it's just like a cuttlefish thing. And this is just a thing that the birds eat whole. It's rough. Right, there we go. And that's what it looks like. Excuse the mess of the Budgie. You bit, Budgie! I blame you! And it's not even focusing. There he is. One more look at the Budgie. Thank you for watching this first or second Budgie video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.